Samsung Galaxy S23's bezels will be slightly thicker than the Galaxy S22 Lineup. Hey guys, we are back again with some latest Samsung news, and the rumors about the upcoming device is getting worse. Rumors and leaks regarding Samsung's Galaxy S23 have started to pick up the pace. Recently, we got to know some information on the display of the upcoming Galaxy S23 series. Now, a noted tipster has revealed the upcoming Galaxy S23 will come with slightly thicker bezels than the Galaxy S22. The difference is minute, but it may make the device look bulkier. Noted tipster Ice Universe claims that Samsung will be widening all four bezels for the Galaxy S23 by 0.15 millimeters. This will not make a huge difference, but it could make the device look slightly bulkier as compared to its predecessor. Recently, the tipster also revealed that the Galaxy S23 will have the same 6.1 display, but it will be slightly longer and wider than the existing model, and the extra 0.15mm bezels explain how. Last week, leakster Ice Universe published the exact dimensions of the Galaxy S23 series. They were mostly the same as the respective S22 models, except that they grew by fractions of a millimeter in height and width. Now Ice has figured out where that extra 0.3mm on the Galaxy S23 came from, and the cat is not happy. The answer is extra bezels, allegedly 0.15mm on all four sides around the display, which will remain at 6.1. This exactly accounts for the 0.3mm extra height and width for next year's model compared to the current one. The Galaxy S23 Plus is 0.4mm taller and wider than its predecessor. Presumably that means an extra 0.2mm for the bezels. Again, the display will be the same size as now, 6.6. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is also a shade larger than its predecessor too, plus 0.1mm height, plus 0.2mm width, so it could be facing the same fate. Are the extra 0.15mm on the four bezels of the S23 really a big issue? Ice Universe thinks so. The leakster is obsessed with smaller bezels. They do make a good point though. Newer models should be better than the old ones, and so far we haven't heard of any display updates. The S23 and S23 Plus will reportedly stick with FHD Plus resolution, the Ultra with QHD Plus. Specifically, the leaker asserts that the Galaxy S23 has 0.15mm thicker display bezels on all sides than the Galaxy S22. Arguably, the difference will be imperceptible to most people and may only be noticeable when comparing the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23 side by side. Still, equipping a newer model with more redundant space is somewhat of a backward step from Samsung's approach to smartphone design in the last few years. Purportedly, Samsung has adopted wider display bezels as a cost-saving measure or a way to improve profits to flip that on its head. Worse still, the Galaxy S23 is only expected to launch with an SoC refresh compared to the Galaxy S22. Hence, the pair should feature identical 1080p displays, cameras, and batteries, unlike the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Conversely, the latter is rumored to introduce a larger fingerprint scanner to the Galaxy S series, as well as an improved 200MP primary camera. With Samsung's Chinese competitors alleged to adopt 1220 displays en masse in 2023, the Galaxy S23 could be left behind in other ways too. However, they may feature better specs, like supporting a higher peak brightness level, lower power consumption, and more. Just like this year, the S23 series may have three models: Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. The top tier S23 Ultra is said to feature some serious upgrades. A recent report suggests the device will feature a 200-megapixel primary sensor on the back, having a size of 1/1 3 inches and 0.6mm size pixels, and a larger aperture of f/1.7 for getting in more light. All the models in the series are expected to be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 SoC and will focus on battery efficiency. Samsung is yet to reveal any details about the series. The Galaxy S23 series will launch in 2023. So what do you guys think about this new display? Will it be a good decision from Samsung in terms of increasing the battery life? Let me know it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.